Hi guys. Today in math you do have a fractions quiz, but guys, you know this stuff, okay? Let's review super quick about our fractions. Um, let's actually look at this warm up, okay, first, and then we'll review. So, if three students shared this candy, what fraction of the candy did each one get? Okay, and don't give me just like 3 or 2, give me the fraction. Okay, and then what if 6 students shared this? What fraction would each of them get? Okay, let's review. So, what part of this fraction, what is the fraction of the shaded part? Okay, remember we learned from the last fraction quiz, we have to read this super carefully. So, you need to do either the shaded or the unshaded. This question's asking about the shaded part. So, what is the fraction of the shaded part, and how would you decompose this fraction? If you could pause this video and give students time to solve this. And you can solve this either in your notebook or on your whiteboard. Okay. If you said that the fraction was 3/4, you are correct. And to decompose it, remember we take that fraction that we just created and we add unit fractions to get there. Okay, so 3/4 is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, and this should say decompose. I'll fix that on the slides for today. Okay, so you will see something like that. I'll give you a picture and I'll ask you, my answer choices will be decomposing, and I'll ask you to decompose this fraction right here based on the picture. So please, please, please know that you have to tell me what that fraction is first before you can even start decomposing it. Okay, and also make sure you read carefully whether they're asking for shaded or unshaded. Okay, and then I was going to ask you who hangs out at the top, and that represents my, okay, and who hangs out at the bottom, and that represents my. Perfect. So if you said that my numerator hangs out at the top and it represents my parts, you are absolutely correct. And then if you said my denominator hangs out at the bottom and it represents my whole number of pieces, then you are absolutely correct. Okay. Guys, y'all are going to do fantastic. Please, 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 especially think back to that last fraction quiz. Read each question carefully. Okay. Make sure you know what they're asking for. Also, make sure that, hint, hint, it's a fraction quiz. So, all of your answers should contain a numerator and denominator, should have a fraction in it. Okay. Um, you are going to turn in this quiz when you're done. When you are finished with this, I would like you to work on your math packet that I gave you on Tuesday, that seat work that Miss Delarosa usually prints out for us. Work on that. When everyone is done, you can get into your stations, okay? And just like this morning, if you were on iStation this morning, you're on Dreambox this afternoon. And then whatever station number you did this morning, that's what station number you're doing this afternoon for math. Okay. Same thing. If you are done with your station, turn it into your station folder. Remember the math folder, not the reading folder. And then you may work on your station packet when you're done. Guys, also, side note, don't forget to turn in your math homework, and then you can turn in that station packet when you're done too. Okay? Do your best on that quiz, guys. You got this.